ready to unlock seamless global communication and skyrocket your customer engagement. Today, we're diving deep into Messagebird, your all-in-one platform for connecting with customers worldwide via SMS, WhatsApp, and voice. Let's get started. First, navigate to the Messagebird dashboard. After logging in here, you choose your communication channel: SMS for direct texts, WhatsApp for richer interactions, or voice for personalized calls. Let's send an SMS. Click on the Send SMS option. You'll be directed to a new screen where you can compose your message. Now, carefully enter the recipient's phone number, including the country code, in the recipient field. Then type out your message in the message box. Keep it concise and engaging. Explore the advanced options to add scheduling for optimal delivery times or personalized messages with customer names for a more personal touch. For WhatsApp, you can create engaging templates. These templates need to be pre-approved by WhatsApp. You can find these options within the WhatsApp section on Messagebird's platform. If you're looking to integrate voice calls, delve into Messagebird's API documentation for sample code and guidance on setting up automated calls and voice-based customer interactions. Finally, don't forget to monitor your results in the analytics dashboard. Track delivery rates, engagement metrics, and identify areas for improvement to continuously optimize your communication strategy. And that's a quick guide to using Messagebird. Experiment with different features, explore the API documentation, and unlock the power of global customer communication.